to Cardiff and Vale College for the rugby academy. I knew they offered a very good sports course along the side, which helped me progress onto my future aspirations of being a PE teacher. So the college helped me with my future career by giving me the foundations to study in Cardiff Met in sports coaching. They covered various modules which I covered in university, so I had a baseline of knowledge before attending university. The college also provided me with opportunities to coaching. Before coming to the college, I wasn't really exposed to the coaching environment. They provided me with baseline going out into coaching young children, and from there my experience has just built up where I was coaching Cardiff schools, and now I'm back at the college. Had the opportunity to coach skills and backs coach. So my highlight in college was beating Coleg Caerdydd in my second year. It was a very close game. They were Welsh champions the previous year. It was a game we were looking forward to all year, and we were winners on the day. So next for me now is I'm in the process of completing my PGCE. I've got a year left in Cardiff Met, and then hopefully, potentially, many years down the line, there might be an opportunity for me to come back to the college, offer my services in teaching, and potentially a coaching job alongside.